Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello students, welcome back. Today, we are going to look at a very interesting question based on the characteristics of sound waves. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's read the question first. Observe the sound waves depicted below. We have three graphs here, labeled P, Q, and R. Notice the horizontal axis represents time in seconds, and the vertical axis represents displacement. Take a good look at how closely packed or how tall these waves are. Alright, moving to the first sub-question. Part A. Which wave has the highest frequency? And importantly, why? Think about what frequency actually means. Next, Part B asks. Which wave has the highest amplitude? You also need to justify your answer. Keep your eyes on the vertical height of these waves. Do you have your answers ready? Let's verify them together and see if you got them right. Starting with Part A. The wave with the highest frequency is wave Q. Did you guess it correctly? Let's understand the reason. The frequency of a wave is the number of cycles that pass through a point in 1 second. If you look at the time axis, in the same 6-second window, wave Q is packed with the maximum number of cycles compared to P and R. More cycles in the same time means a higher frequency. Now for Part B. Which wave has the highest amplitude? The correct answer is wave R. Why is that? Well, amplitude is the maximum displacement from the equilibrium position of the wave. Simply put, it's the maximum height from the center line. Looking at our graphs, wave R clearly reaches much higher and lower from the equilibrium position than P or Q. So, it has the maximum displacement. Awesome job going through that with me. I hope the concepts of frequency and amplitude are crystal clear now. Keep practicing, and as always, happy learning.